Good evening, my family and friends. Today is Friday, September 15th at 4:47 in the afternoon. Now, I'm coming to you from Sapphire Falls. What I'm going to do is, remember the video I did for the resort tour? I'm going to put it down in the link in the comments below. But now, we're staying here for my daughter's birthday. So I want you guys to come and celebrate with us. And let's have a good time. Let's go. All right. You come in here, and then right over here, you got a hair dryer, extra pillows, an ironing board. You also got a safe. You also got a rack to put your luggages if you need to. Right over here is the sink. It's basically the mirror, you just touch it where you can turn on the light. This has 2 queen beds. We put up some balloons.
I thought it was like purging wives and husbands.
You got a phone. You got plugs with 2 USB ports. And then you got a radio here, so if you have like an iPhone, you can put it there to listen to music. The TV, you have a Keurig with cups, sugar, Splenda, creamers, you got cups.
Moving on, how do you plan to deal with the pollution?
And then here you have a refrigerator that you can store stuff in. And then you got more drawers right over here that you can put more stuff.
You know, on horses, they flex guns. That's what I'm on board with.
You got a desk where you can edit your videos. You have a chair. You got a view of the courtyard. You can actually walk from here to City Walk. Or you can take the water taxis, the ones I show you in the previous videos. You can actually store stuff down here. And you can put more stuff in there. You got a notepad with a pen. So basically this is just a full tour of the room itself. So like I said, I'm gonna put the link below for the resort tour at the bottom in the comments below. For the description actually. So just comment below and let me know what you guys think about the room. If you guys stay here before, if not, will you guys plan to stay here?
So today's the 15th of September, Friday, and they were completely booked. They said it was due to HHN, and parking lot's full. They're completely booked.
We're actually going to go to Halloween Horror Nights tonight for my daughter's birthday, so that way, you know, we have the cups, the freestyle cups. I do recommend you guys to get these. These come in handy where you can actually fill them up with water if you don't want to get soda. They do fit in these freestyle cup holders where you can actually put your cup and you can like put it around your neck. You can carry it so you don't have to hold it.
It does fit without a problem.
Yeah. So just keep in mind also that after 5 o'clock, they're really, really strict with what you bring in to the park for Halloween Horror Nights. Just keep that in mind. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Universal Orlando Resort themselves. They might be able to help you with that, if anything. So that actually concludes the tour, the full tour of the room. So if you are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up. It will help the channel very much. Also hit that subscribe button, the notification bell for future uploads. Tomorrow there's going to be another vlog. We're actually going to go to Cabana Bay for the Chucky's Twisted Playground, which I'm going to film that also so I can show you guys what that entailed. So, until next time, don't be a stranger in this upside down world. So long, YouTube.